the same spot, but in two different places. Scared of commitment, got dreams to be larger than life, but you waiting and too scared to chase it. I know you hate it. Daddy left when you was young, so you ain't had love of your life. Blur the line between sex and affection, so you keep confusing love with a vice. Maybe tonight I could take it away, but I'm scared that you'll put up a fight. Kissing your body right down to your neck, could you choke up and tell me it don't feel right? Lost in the moment, the heat of your body against mine and make everything feel alright. Always just thought, so you keep wearing diamonds on diamonds, even in the daytime, you still shining bright. You know that you had me from the moment that I met you, moment that I met you. Too many nights with a list locked.
Hi guys, I just came back home. Um, it's a nice and sunny day outside. It was really nice to go out, but my eyes was hurting like crazy. My niece, she threw a cloth on my eyes. She did that, and oh my god, the pain. Now my eyes are hurting like crazy shit. But yeah, I can't work anymore, so I took a half day. Um, I've been taking a lot of leaves these days. Shit. Yeah. So want to tell you about the book that I finished recently. It's called the Happy Ever After playlist by Abby Gymnase. Oh my god, Jason. Where can I find a guy like Jason? I don't know, like guys like Jason doesn't exist in real life. That's why he's a fictional character. Because I have gone through similar experiences with guys who I've dated, and they were a bunch of assholes. Yeah, so I haven't met a guy like Jason in my life. He's so good, like, oh my god, like he's so good. The book was amazing. I gave it 5 on 5. um I'm not going to go into the story, um but it's a really good book worth reading, and I just loved it so much, and I love Jason so much. Yeah. Yeah, so I finished that book, and I am almost in the mid of a book called The Infinity Between Us by N.S. Perkins. I forgot her name. Yeah, so I'll just put it here. The Infinity Between Us. That book is also really good. It's friends to lovers trope, and it's good. It reminds me so much of Love and Other Words, Every Summer After vibe. It's so much to those kind of vibe. I feel like I'm reading that book in a different version. Yeah. But it's a really good book. I am not able to guess why they stopped talking, why the lead character, I forgot her name. I don't know why she doesn't like the male character. Not able to guess, but yeah, good book. I am enjoying it. I'm listening to it on Audible. Really nice narrator. Yeah. And I am reading another book. It's called When in Rome by Sarah Adams. I've been hearing it everywhere that it is so good. So I just finally bought it, and I'm reading it. Uh, and I'm enjoying it. I love the guy. What's his name? Noah, I think. Yeah, Noah Walker. The guy is so good. Like, he's so cute the way he blushes. Like, whenever Emilia says something and he's like blushing, he's smiling, he's grinning, and he's like, oh god, he's so cute. I'm just in the beginning of the book, and I'm like enjoying it because it's so fluffy and cute, and like like so cute. It's really nice. I don't know, I haven't gotten too much into the story to comment on the story, but I'm loving Noah. Yeah, so these are the books that I'm reading currently and that I finished. Yeah,